Hi Adele, it's me, Auntie Donna, ready to teach you something else I think you're really going to love to learn. I was trying to think to myself, what is one of the most important things we can learn that's going to help us in our writing letters, writing numbers, and even drawing some really cute pictures? And it is a very simple shape. I'm going to sing a song and it's going to give you a hint as to what that shape and what that letter is going to be today. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, oh, what do you know? Oh, oh, what do you know? Oh, oh, what do you know? I can write an O. Okay, here's how we write an O. It's very important that we write it correctly because we want to write our letters correctly. I believe that we should write our O's going towards the left, like this. I'm going to draw a little arrow so you know that that's the way that we go. We always write it towards the left, which is going to help us in writing later down the line when we're writing lots of letters so that we're doing it correctly. And someday, when you get, super big, you are going to get to write in cursive. And I love writing in cursive. And we want to make sure we do our O's the correct way so when we get to write in cursive, it's already there. For instance, I'm going to write this word go. G has the O shape in it. O. Now I'm going to write it in cursive and you're going to see. There you go. So that's why we want to do our O the correct way. Now I'm going to show you some fun things we can do with the letter O and all the letters that have that shape in it, the circle shape. First of all, let's draw something with that circle shape. I'm going to draw a circle. Okay, ready? And now I'm going to draw a bigger circle. And then I'm going to draw 2 circle eyes filled in and a smile. I wonder what it's starting to look like. Do you know how to draw a triangle? Let's draw 2 little triangle ears and some squares for feet. And then I'm going to draw a little curly Q tail. And do you know what I just drew? I drew a pig, and that's something you can draw, being able to write the letter O. Here's something else we can draw, especially as it gets closer to Christmas. We can draw the O shape or a circle or a 0. I draw a fatter one and a fatter one. And we're going to draw some filled in ones and some little ones. I can hear my kids in the background being crazy. Your cousins. And what have we drawn? A snowman. And snow has a letter O in it. Boom, wah, wah, wah. All right, so here we go. Now here are some letters that all have this circle shape or the O shape in it. You are about to be amazed. If you could get this conquered, you're going to know several letters. Here we go. First, obviously, is the letter O. I can write a letter O. What do you know? Okay, our next one is the little letter A, which we're going to make our O shape. Yeah, and we're going to add a stick. And now we have the letter A. Yay! What letter could come next? Well, let's write our O and see what happens. We're going to write an O. This time we're going to put a longer stick. Look at that. It's a D. We can also do the same thing with the B, which is a stick and a ball. Okay? The reason I can tell a difference between B and D is I'm going to write this word bed. B, E, D. Ed. See the B, E, D. And it looks like a little person sleeping there, snoring. Zzz. Good.
Mama?
Okay, let's look at a few more letters that we can do. Ian is running around. Yes, you may, Bubba. Love you. Okay. We're going to make the O shape, and we're going to do a stick again, except this time we're going to go down. What letter is that? Do you know? That's right. It's a G. It's the word that was in our word go. And here's another one. This time we're going to write a stick and another O shape. And we have a
Can I
P.
get one of the big long carrots?
Yes. Like P as in pig. Look at those O's are just everywhere. One last letter. We're going to draw our circle and a stick, and I like to put a little tail on our stick, and all of a sudden we have the letter Q. Okay? So now all of a sudden, here's our letters that we know how to write. Let's review them. We know how to write the O, the A, the B, the D, the G, the P, and the Q. Here we go. We also know how to write some numbers now. We know how to write 0. We know how to write 10. Are you getting my drift? Do you see why this is so important? And we always want to go to the left. Say hi to your cousin. All right. Should we draw one more thing just for fun? Oh, what do you know? Oh, what do you know? I can write an O. Let's do this. I'm going to get a different color marker and show you that by writing the letter O or the 0 shape, the world is your oyster. So I'm going to draw a big circle. I'm going to draw some swirlies in it like this. I'm going to color in the middle. I'm going to draw some stars around the outside. And guess what I just drew? The world. All right, child. I love you, Dal. Have a good day. Practice writing your O's the correct way, always going to the left. Okay? Love you. Bye.